Sarah, sitting on the bench, watching the sunset. You ever think about how we treat older people? Like, how often we just rush past them, not even giving them a second thought? Zainab. That's an interesting point. I've noticed that too, especially when we're out in public. People don't seem to give elders the respect they deserve. Sarah. Exactly. I saw something the other day that really bothered me. There was this elderly man at the bus stop, and the younger people around him were just ignoring him, like he wasn't even there. When he asked if someone could help him with his bag, they just shrugged and walked away. Zainab. Oh, that's so rude. It really bugs me when people do that. Elders have so much to offer, you know? It's like we forget that they've lived through so many experiences, and now it's our turn to show them respect and kindness. Sarah. Yeah, it's like they've earned it. I mean, they've seen wars, revolutions, social changes, and here we are, scrolling through our phones, not even acknowledging their presence sometimes. It's sad. Zainab. I agree. My grandmother always tells me stories about her childhood. She talks about how things used to be, and honestly, it's fascinating. You realize how much you can learn just by listening to them. Sarah. I love that. My grandpa tells the best stories too. He talks about how different life was when he was my age. Sometimes, I forget how much wisdom they hold. It's like they have a whole library of knowledge stored up, just waiting to be shared. Zainab. Exactly. It's not just about being polite, it's about valuing their experiences. I think respecting our elders is also about showing gratitude. Without them, we wouldn't have the lives we have today, right? They laid the foundations for us. Sarah, you're so right. It's funny, we often talk about the future, but the past is where we learn the most, and those who lived it deserve our respect. They've paved the way. Zainab. Definitely. I think from now on, I'm going to be more conscious of how I treat older people. A little patience, a little kindness, it really goes a long way. Sarah. Same here. It's a small gesture, but it makes all the difference. I hope others start realizing it too. Zainab. Yeah, because when we show respect to our elders, we're also setting an example for the younger generations to follow. It's a cycle of respect. Sarah. Couldn't have said it better myself. Let's be the change we want to see.